Hey guys, OnePlus 12R aka OnePlus SE3 launched in China 4 January and globally launched in India 23 January 2024. OnePlus 12 aka OnePlus SE3 comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution BOE X1 OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the phone also comes with 4500 nits peak brightness like OnePlus 12, so that is very interesting. And the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with LPDDR5X 16GB of RAM, up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0, and of course out of the box the phone running Android 14 with ColorOS 14. In the camera department, the smartphone comes with triple camera setup. 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 Plus OIS has a main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro shooter, and the front is come with single 16 megapixel selfie camera. And here is some picture sample, and as you can see that all the images look like too much good. Let me know in the comment section below, do you guys like OnePlus 12R aka OnePlus SE3 picture sample? In the battery department, the phone also comes with a bigger battery more than OnePlus 12. The phone comes with 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. The phone also comes with IP64 rating, stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner. So what is the price? Expect to OnePlus SE3 aka OnePlus 12R starting price 2699 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage, who is almost 31,500 rupee in India. I think that is a great pricing. So let me know in the comment section your thought. That's for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.